your guitar at? Can you sit? Because this one's out of tune and I don't want to tune it. I don't want to have airtime. Elaine, are you here? Or did she go? Elaine, are you here? Where's Elaine at?
We would hear her.
Huh? Yeah, we would have heard her then. Jeez. Okay, totally. It's electric. You be tuning that while I play yours? Okay, now I'm here. Elders, please oversee me. I've really got it together. Elaine, is that you? Me? You see? There she is. Okay, we were waiting for you before I could start. Thank you, Elaine. She's the one that invited me here, so I'm going to try to do really a good job for her and everybody. How have we got happy, friends and relatives? I just wanted to, again, ask the elders to oversee me as I stand before you. I'm going to express in this time. How much time do we have to perform? How long should I go? About 10, 15? Because I know Trey has work in school tomorrow on it. Your kids have to be at school? Wow, you're so professional. Okay, that was my warm-up.
Could I dance to the movie?
Let me see how good of a drum it is. This is a little love song for anybody and everybody in love. I made this one off of the Rockies. I was looking at the Rocky Tops and they were going like this. So they were going like that and I made this song from that. Called the Snagging Song. We're not going to use the mic for this, Mr. Mike Man. Don't worry, I won't fall. Okay, that was a little bitty love song while he tuned that. Can I just play with this one though? Okay, thank you. Good. Okay, we're gonna get ready for our fashion show, but before that, are there any requests?